Philosophy. Jose Rizal Memorial State University adheres to the principle of dynamism and cultural diversity in building a just and human society. Vision. A dynamic and diverse, international recognized university. A dynamic, inclusive, and regionally diverse university in Southern Philippines. Mission. Jose Rizal Memorial State University pledges to deliver effective and efficient service along research, introduction, production, and extension. It commits to provide advanced professional, technical, and techno-crucial training with the aim of producing highly competent, innovative, and self-renewed individual. Goals. Globally competitive education institution. Resilient to international and external risks and hazard. Innovative processes and solution in research translated to extension engagement. Partnership and collaboration with private enterprises, other health government and agencies, and etc. Sound financial management and participatory governments. That's all. Thank you.